tingling hands, numb feet, or maybe that weird burning sensation you just can't explain. These could be signs your nerves are screaming for help, and the answer might be sitting right in your fridge. Yes, certain drinks have the power to nourish, repair, and even regenerate your nerves naturally. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the 9 most powerful drinks that can help repair nerve damage backed by science, not hype. Welcome back to Eat Well to Excel, your go-to place for holistic health and natural healing. We're all about giving your body what it really needs, through food, lifestyle, and a little ancient wisdom. Today we're tackling a big issue, nerve damage. Whether it's from diabetes, inflammation, or even long-term stress, nerve pain can be life-altering. But here's the good news. Nature has your back. So let me ask you, have you ever felt pins and needles or numbness that just won't go away? You're not alone, and today I'll show you exactly what to drink to start healing your nerves naturally. Number 1. Turmeric Golden Milk. Golden milk isn't just trendy, it's powerful. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce nerve inflammation and support nerve regeneration. Try this. Warm up almond milk, add 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon. Drink before bed for deep repair while you sleep. Number 2. Celery Green Apple Juice. Celery is rich in apigenin, a plant compound known to protect brain and nerve cells. Green apples add antioxidants and a hint of tartness that makes this drink refreshing. Blend celery stalks and 1 green apple with water, perfect for mornings. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger isn't just for nausea, it contains gingerol, which fights oxidative stress in nerves. My grandmother swore by it, and now science agrees. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water and sip throughout the day. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which improve blood flow, including to your nerves. Better circulation means better healing. Drink it straight or mix with carrot and lemon for a delicious nerve-boosting blend. Number 5. Aloe vera juice. Did you know aloe vera is a natural nerve tonic? It helps reduce nerve inflammation and supports myelin repair, the protective coating around nerves. Start with a small amount, about 1 to 2 ounces daily, and choose food-grade aloe vera juice only. Number 6. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which are proven to protect nerve cells from damage. Blend a handful with unsweetened almond milk and chia seeds for an antioxidant-packed breakfast. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful compound that helps protect nerves from degenerative damage. Plus, it's a great swap for coffee if you're looking to lower inflammation. Number 8. Magnesium water. Lemon plus magnesium powder. Magnesium is critical for nerve function, yet most of us are deficient. Squeeze lemon into a glass of water and add a magnesium citrate supplement. Sip it daily to calm irritated nerves and support repair. Number 9. Ashwagandha infused herbal tea. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that not only reduces stress, but may actually regenerate nerve cells, according to new studies. Steep in hot water before bed to calm your system and promote nerve healing overnight. Have you tried any of these already? Which one would you be willing to drink every day? Imagine sipping your way to better nerve health. Sounds better than popping pills, right? So now you know, your drink choices can make or break your nerve health. From turmeric to blueberries, nature has gifted us with powerful, delicious remedies. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our next wellness secret.